So we're doing simplified radicals. We are on the front, and we're doing number 23. So the good news about these is that you can put them in your calculator. Exactly how it is. You just have to be careful about closing parentheses or getting out from under your radical. I'm going to do it by hand first. Let's do it by hand. You're going to square the 6, and you're going to square the radical 3. What's 6 squared? 36. We learned this on Thursday. What's the square root of 3 squared? 3. Very good. 3.
Why'd you get so
Hmm?
quiet? Dramatic.
Yeah, dramatic effect. 36 times 3? 108. Now, let's look at it in the calculator. 6 root 3 squared.
Wait, so the radical becomes more like
Just a second. 6, oops, I forgot my 6, sorry. 6, radical 3. Now look, I'm caught under the radical sign. Do you see? This happens to you too. How do you get out of the radical sign? You click the arrow to the right. Oh, now I'm out. Now I can close my parentheses, and now I can square it. Final answer? Oh, wow. 108. It's over.
wow.
It's over.
I got it.
Okay. But you have to put it in your calculator correctly. Can you just skip the parentheses? No. Okay, Zoe, what were you asking about?
Oh, well, I was saying, so basically the radical has an addition. Or no, multiplying.
No, it's just when you put two things next to each other, like 6x. 6 times, that means 6 times x.
Yeah, because see, you're multiplying.
It's not a multiply sign.
But it's right.
No, I'm saying because they're next to each other, they're multiplied, not because it's a radical sign. Radical doesn't mean multiplying. Okay. I'm going to move on. Next one, 26. Do I even need to do this one now?
Yeah.
Let's do it by hand because I like it by hand better. 7 squared. 49. Square root of 25 squared. 25. So it comes down to, please ask your calculator, 49 times 25. So we okay with these? Because these will be on your quiz tomorrow, definitely. All right, 29. Let's do 29 together. 29. 8 root 3 minus 15 root 3 plus 2 root 6. What I would check first is, can any of those be simplified? Are there any perfect squares in those radicals? You would think 6. You would think, because it's an even number, but 6 is 2 times 3. Are there any pairs? No. So actually none of those can be simplified. So we need to find the like terms. Like terms. This and this. So we're really doing 8 minus 15. Negative 7. It doesn't matter which one you put first. You can put 2 root 6 minus 7 root 3, or you can switch places. Negative 7 root 3 plus 2 root 6. It doesn't matter. On the back, 22. This one's a good one because you actually have to simplify and then add. All right. Neither of these are simplified. They both contain perfect squares. So we would do our little factor tree on here. 4 times 2, 2 times 2. What's the new version of 4 root 8? 8. Because this escapes, 4 times 2 is 8. And a 2 is left over. Okay, so that's the new version. Okay, our other one was 32. 16 times 2, perfect square. You can do the perfect square way if you want. I'm just going to do 4 times 4. And I haven't really told y'all that. Even though 4 is not prime, if you find a double, you can just stop. Because you know that one's going to escape. There's no reason to keep going if you find a pair. If you find a pair, you can stop. So let's just do that. Let's just stop. The 4 escapes. 3 times 4 is 12. And we still got our 2. Well, that's good, because now these are like terms. They weren't like terms before, but now they are. They're both root 2s. So you've got 8 of them, and you've got 12 of them. How many do you have? 20 of them. 8 plus 12. It's not 20 root 4. People are tempted to add them together. It's 20 root 2. All right?